I'm navigating life as a millennial, and I've seen enough social media content to know I would rather be seeing the world. My name is Alex. Welcome to my channel, and let's go find a better point of view. I'm navigating life as a millennial, and I've seen enough social media content to know I would rather be seeing the world. My name is Alex. Welcome to my channel, and let's go find a better point of view. If y'all seen the Michael movie, you already know. Ooh, you already know. That movie was fantastic. I need to get out the house. But I just need to say this one quick thing. The MJ movie, Jafar Jackson did his thing. I mean, like, watching, first of all, I was watching it in IMAX, right? The music and hearing it so loud like that was like, yo, oh my goodness. Like, I wish that I saw Michael in concert. I probably would not have remembered it because I would have been a child, but honestly, to anyone who's ever seen Michael live in concert, like, you literally witnessed the greatest entertainer of all time. The movie was fantastic, and I'm actually glad that this was my first movie that I've went to. This is my first movie that I went to in the theaters in a long, long, long time. So, and it kind of gave me like the little bug again to go back to the movie theaters. So, and I also saw Devil Wears Prada the same day because I was like, you know what? I'm here. Let's go ahead and watch it. That one was great too. So both of those movies are good. Later on this month, I'm going to go see You, Me, and Tuscany. Hopefully it's still in the theaters because I'm going with a friend. So, but yeah, let me go eat because I don't want my food to get cold. So, if you're watching this and you made it this far, wait, oh, and you made it this far, comment below, what is your favorite vocal stem, okay? Because I wanna know. I'll go first. Mine is, what is it? Oh, I'm tired. What is it? I'm tired of this grandpa. Well, that's too damn bad. That was my favorite one. Another one is when this girl is like yelling, yuck. Like, I say that all the time. And then there's Pretty Little Baby's been in my head a lot. Where it's really a song. They're like, pretty little baby, telling all the bluebirds. You know, that one. But like I said, for the 15,000 time, let me go get my food because I can't vlog and drive at the same time. We don't do that. So, yeah. See me. Hold on. Detect my face, baby. Yes, you can. Let's put some light. I need some light. Is this the lighting? Yep. Oh, that is so neat. Oh, cool. Let's take a quick little commercial break and let me show you my food. Yes. Finances. How y'all feel about the economy and what's going on, what's happening? Because, baby, I'm sick of it. I'm exhausted. I'm overwhelmed. It's a lot. I am trying to stay afloat, keep my mind off of it, but I'm burning money and not enough coming in. And I am living way over my means. It wasn't supposed to happen that way. I think I kind of fell into it, not really thinking, because I honestly, realistically, I should not have renewed my lease here at the time when I did it, because if I pay rent out of one of my paychecks, my check is done for, because you still got to take out for, well, I have to take out for like credit card bills and groceries, cat stuff, subscriptions that come out, rental insurance, car insurance, all of that comes out. Like, so by the end of the week, transparency moment, I am left with probably $200, $200 to $300 to stretch for the next 2 weeks. And that's left for essentials. That's not left for play money. So I am at a point where I'm like, okay, what do I do now? I don't like it. I used to be able to get by like doing that, like
couple years ago, but my expenses were not a lot. Now it's a lot. And now I'm another transparency moment. I'm always constantly thinking about my student loans and what to do with that. I'm at 180K. I'm sure other people are at way more than that. And everyone's telling me, well, just go back to school. And I'm like, with what money? With what money? I'm not going back to school. So going back to school isn't going to help the situation. It's going to only make it worse because then I'm going to even be in more debt. Because school is not cheap. It's not like they tried to make it inexpensive at this point. So again, I'm still stuck with $180,000. And its interest is tacking on every single day from what I saw on my account. So, and it just sucks. They're not going to forgive it. So the other option is file bankruptcy, but I can only do that if I've been paying on it faithfully or showing that I've been trying. And I'm like, I can't even try to pay on it because expenses are so high. I'm over here like, how do I get this shit down? What are y'all doing? And then I be hearing people be doing the most absurd things. And I'm like, I cannot stoop that low. I'm not a scammer. I don't do that. Shout out to the girlies that are in sex work, but I can't do that. I, I, I can't. I can't. You know, the ones that, you know, are okay with being the sugar babies and escorts or stripping. Shout out to y'all. Good for y'all, but I can't do that. So now I'm like, what do I do? And the only thing I can really think of is downsize, like all the way. Give up the apartment. I'm almost thinking about selling my car. Like, these are real shit scenarios I'm actually thinking about. Definitely downsizing my apartment. I don't need this big ass space. I really don't. Like, I'm thinking about downsizing. I'm thinking about a lot of the stuff that's in here. Selling whatever I can and selling my car like it's already paid off, but I don't know. I am thinking about selling it. But if I sell it, then what I'm going to drive in, unless I move somewhere where transit is like a thing. Like, but that would mean I would need to move up north or closer to, like, you know, not Philly. I wouldn't do Philly, like Washington, D.C. or something. I don't know. I'm just throwing things out there. I don't know. But I need to figure it out fast. So what are y'all doing? What are y'all doing out here? Like, if you are a millennial and you're in your 30s, preferably in your mid 30s, and you're going through the same thing I'm going through, what are you doing? How are you getting by? What are some tips and tricks? Budgeting, books, something to kind of get things going, the ball rolling a little bit. I need ideas like now. Hi, it's the next day. And today, ironically, I'm going to take a pole dancing class. So, should be fun. I've actually really do admire pole dancing. And I say ironically because yesterday I was talking about how I could never really do dancing and stripping and all that. Like, it's just not part of me. But pole dancing and doing it as a hobby, yes. Eventually, if I decide to stay here or get like another loft style apartment, I might actually get a pole so I can continue to practice. But anywho, I'm going to a pole dancing class. That's going to be happening pretty soon. I'm meeting my cousin there. How was y'all's day? How y'all feeling today? Today was pretty quiet. I did my work and then I took a nap. Ended up getting a migraine. It's probably because of my hormones, you know, doing the most, and me being on my period, or getting off of it. So But yeah, let's go.